Hi guys, just a quickie, won't take long. Last video from this phone. There we go. Now, how's that looking? Unboxing on my new iPhone 16 Pro. Now, how have they packed it? Let's see. How has Mr. Optus packed it? Recycle me. Ah, there we go. I thought it'd be like that. Now, that's a heavy little dude. By God, that's heavier than the last one. Please retain this document. Purchase. Why do I need to purchase? My God, that weighs a ton. Yeah, I got it in black. iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1 titanium black. I've got me cord for charging, so I don't need that. What else is this thing? 2 pieces of paper and all you needed was 1. Not showing the address. Oh, this has got the SIM card. That's already been activated, I think. Yeah, that's my SIM card. Hang on, I'll have a look at that. Now, let me just... Oh, guys. Oh, doesn't that box look gorgeous? Now, what have we got here? Put the light on. We're very hot here today, guys. Apple. Signed by Apple, California. Take it, you peel these off. Hang on. Oh, I'm weak today, guys. Hang on. I assume you do that, hopefully. Now, we get it open. There we go. Oh, here we go, guys. Look at him, isn't he gorgeous? Isn't he beautiful? Yeah, I've got a decent size cord. Okay, I don't need one of them, but I've got one. Oh, look at that. Now that's a beauty. 3 big cameras. He never goes anywhere, so that's this. Slowly remove. Now, let's see what we've got to do. Is it charged? Oh, no. Ah, charged. Charged. I forgot you got to hold that button down. It's a C card. Yes, C port. Charging up. Look at that lovely little symbol there. Oh, this baby's going to be used to death. Okay. Oh, we wanted English. I was going through the motions. This is a fully charged phone. It's unusual. Come on. English. Come on, come on. I'm an old man. Go through the motion. It's only, oh, there we go. Swipe to open. Got to go down here. There we go. English. We are. We are Australian. Australia, Austria. Where's Australia? Or did I miss it? Oh, I hate going shopping. I loathe going shopping. Yes, other countries. Okay. United States. I must be tripping here. Where's Australia? Netherlands. Morocco. Hang on, don't rush me. I'm still looking for countries. And do not rush me. Oh, right on top, guys. Now, setting language. Connecting already. Continue. Quick start. Hang on, how do you do that? Oh, okay, that way. That way. Yeah. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Where's the camera? Oh, come on. Authentic manually. Hey. Okay, that part's done. Continue on your iPad. Out for me. Easy peasy. Oh, God, my legs are sore. It takes... Well, that might be a bit too much there. Hang on. Ooh, naughty. Let's say it again. There we go. Agree. As if anyone's not going to agree. Oh, don't you love that? Don't you love that, guys? That is heaven. That is a bit of heaven. Now, where did my cord go? Of course it went on the ground. No, nice lengthy cord. Nice little length. Take that out, of course. Done. Done. Okay, thank you. Oh, that was easy, guys. That was super, super easy. You're still downloading a few things here. Oh, I like him. Now I've got to paste this one back. He's a beaut. Come on. You done? Oh. Continue. No, Andrew doesn't have a watch. Share with Apple. Share with Apple developers. Continue. Yeah, I'm trying to, hang on. Hang on, there we go. There we go. Yeah, done that. Camera control, that's right, where's the camera control? Oh, he's down here, that's right, guys. He is down here now. He is down here. Okay. Restore from iCloud. Thank you. That's going to take a while, I think. Oh, man. Another trip to the post office tomorrow morning to post this one back. He's already got fingerprints on him. I will charge him fully up. We'll see how long he goes for. This has got 1 terabyte of memory in this one. So, should last a fair distance. It should last a fair while. Oh my poor ankles. I had lovely Chinese, salt and peppered squid and fried rice, and I've got Chinese to put in the freezer for a rainy day. Oh, look at those cameras there. Look at that system. I'm very happy with that. Very, very happy. We'll use it tonight, hopefully. Where'd my cord go? It went on the floor, didn't it? My head got bashed in this morning. My lamp fell on me again. my lamp that I have up on the bookcase fell down on me. Naughty boy, see it? You can go on the floor and you can stay on the floor. It was very annoying. I wasn't doing anything to it, but it decided it wanted to go on the floor. Okay, we're nearly there. Oh. I'll plug him in a minute. Get him charged up, and I'll see how long he lasts for. I don't know how long they said on the thing, but yep, I think she's nope, not quite. Restoring from iCloud. Yeah, that's going to take a while. Okay, guys, happy hands, happy tangling. I shall upload in a minute. Bye.